Hello, my name's Gill Meller. We're going to spend some time now cooking some pizza. I've been working with Ooni for a couple of months, and this really is the most fantastic wood-fired oven. It's incredibly portable, you can take it where you like, and that's why we've stepped out into nature, really, on this fine autumn morning. So we've got 500 grams of strong white bread flour, 10 grams of salt and 5 grams of yeast, and I'm going to add about 320 mils of water and then bring this dough together. Once the dough's come together, you can tip it out onto the work surface and start kneading it. The kneading process is very simple. It helps to develop gluten in the dough, which gives it structure and elasticity, and means that when you come to make your pizza and bake it, it will puff up in the oven and have the right texture. If you can do this a few days in advance, then so much the better, because it gives the dough time to ferment, and the fermentation adds a huge amount of flavour to the finished dough. I've got a mixture of really dry ash and some poplar, the sort of wood that they make matchsticks out of. So this burns really hot and really fast, and it gets the Ooni Pro up to temperature very, very quickly. This will get up to 500 degrees C, which is perfect for cooking pizzas very, very fast. So we're talking about like 1 minute tops. So we're going to light the oven up now, take the little chimney cap off, lift the back plate off, which gives you access to the firebox at the back of the oven, and we're just going to put some torn up newspaper in there and some little bits of kindling, some dried twigs and some sticks that I've chopped. They're very, very easy to get going. Once the paper takes, it's going to catch the dried twigs, and then those larger pieces of poplar will catch light, and then we're going to go in with these little lumps of ash. Just slow down, you don't have to load up the firebox too full too quickly. So the oven's really getting up to temperature now. We're at about 400 degrees C, so really, really hot. It doesn't want to be much hotter than that before we start making pizza. So I'm making a kind of winter style pizza. Instead of tomato, we're going slowly caramelized onions. We're going some rich mature cheddar cheese, rosemary, pears, black pepper, thyme. Really, really good. We're knocking up to like 450, almost 500 degrees C. So I'm going to finish the pizza and get it in.
It took a long time for me to breathe. I stood at your door, you found the one you left. You held me, but you couldn't seem to.
You've got this charred edge to the dough, this blistering. The pear is soft, the molten cheese in the middle, aroma of roasting herbs, rosemary and thyme. It's really just the perfect winter pizza. I'm Gill Meller. I'm a chef, cookery teacher and food writer.